Years before the first line of computer code was written, ancient Indian scriptures outlined a radical idea that physical reality is just a manifestation of structural code. They called this Maya Rachna, the art of turning invisible design into tangible form. Today, we call it additive manufacturing. When an FDM 3D printer lays down molten filament layer by micro layer, it isn't just manufacturing. It is practicing the ancient philosophy of Srishti, bringing physical structure out of the formless, driven purely by digital thought. Consider the titles of Lord Vishwakarma: Sarvakarman, the All-Doer; Devashilpi, the divine engineer. Scriptural records detail his creations not as magic but as highly advanced material sciences. He forged Indra's Vajra to channel raw, directed electromagnetic energy, matching the exact operational parameters of our modern directed energy, weapons and high-powered railguns. He engineered the Pushpaka Vimana, a vehicle described as changing its physical geometry to match its payload, navigating via the user's intent. Today, aerospace labs build morphing wings using shape memory alloys and deploy autonomous drones. We are not inventing the future, we are simply remembering it. When the Nasadiya Sukta states that before creation, reality was neither existence nor non-existence, it laid the philosophical foundation for the quantum qubit. From the atomic lattices of nanotech to the entangled systems of quantum computing, the modern world is stepping directly into the engineering workshop of the Puranas. We have finally built the yantras, the machines capable of unlocking the cosmic blueprint. The future is ancient.